what's up there, crew? Matt here with TRW, and this is Ask Matt, Season 2, Episode 235. So we just finished up the Silhouette Cameo 4 giveaway. It is 10:55 p.m. I got an hour and 5 minutes to get this edited, get it up, because I need to do it 100 days in a row, and I got to get it done before midnight. But question, came on the live tonight. Thought it was a good question, and a lot of people asked this, so I figured I would show you in the Ask Matt here real quick. Makes it easy, right? So here's the deal. I did the decals tonight on the Cameo 4, and I'll show you the actual decals that I cut here. We cut a couple different decals. And out of our new dog and cat pack, check out the detail on those decals right there. Pretty sweet, right? Some good detail on that. But on these cuts right here, what I actually did is I used the CB09 blade holder with our TRW clean cut blade on the website. And the question people were asking was, how far out do you have your blade? So the cool thing about using our TRW blade is just a better blade that cuts so nice and it lasts so long. But using the Graphtec blade holder, what I wanted to do is just show you how far out that blade is actually coming. I'm going to try and take a good picture or show you in the video here just to see. So what I normally go by is if I put my finger across it and I just slide my finger across it, then it's not going to cut my finger. Okay, that's the goal. So don't cut your finger trying to make sure. Just make sure it's not out too far. Because honestly, the further out your blade, the worse it's going to cut. It allows the blade to kind of move a little bit. You don't want that when you're looking for a precise cut. And these are some pretty precise cuts on these right here, right? Look at the detail on those. Look at the little dog whiskers, the little kind of speckles on his nose. That's amazing, isn't it? Cut that with the Silhouette Cameo 4. But let me show you real quick and show you what I'm talking about. All right, so you can see we have the housing that comes with the Cameo 4 and our blade holder here. And now this is our TRW blade. And you'll see when I zoom in there, really close, how far that blade is only coming out. So I'm zoomed way in. Look when I put my finger next to it. See the difference of that? See how there's no way that could actually cut me? So that's the thing, is just to where there's no way that that blade can cut your finger. Because what a lot of people do is they'll crank it way out, and then it's not going to cut nearly as good. I mean, when we're out here, you can barely even see it at all, right? And then to get that loaded into the machine, we're just going to drop that in there, push and lock it, and then we're good to go. But again, using that blade, that's why I'm getting such clean cuts with the Cameo, and the detail on this dog right here to where none of those tiny little dots pulled up is pretty insane, right? So just check it out. The blade is on the website. The blade holders we will have on the website soon. If you're watching this video in the future, then maybe they're on the website already. But we're looking to get them in, the holders, in the next couple weeks here. But if you already do have a CB09 blade holder, we do have the blades on the website, and I'll put the link in the description here as well. Once we get the blade holders, I'll put the link in the description as well. All right? All right, crew. Great seeing you guys all tonight. We had over 570 people on the live training tonight. Every Monday night, 8 p.m. Eastern time, give away a Cameo 4, baby. Let's go. All right, crew. Appreciate you guys. Click that like button. Click that subscribe. Comment below. Give me some more amazing questions for the Ask Matt. Hopefully this video helps you guys out. Don't crank that blade way out. It's not going to cut as good. Just enough to get that perfect cut. Throw the force and you're good. And just to let you know, on the Cameo tonight, to cut the decal material, I was cutting at a force of 7, speed of 30. All right, crew. Later.